We have been talking about various topics which will help you to upgrade yourself and earn better in life. Today, I ask myself, how can I become a good leader? Earlier, we had just talked generally about the leadership, but now I'm talking to you on a specific point. How do I become a good leader? To become a good leader, you should follow the following steps. First should be develop emotional intelligence. That is, understand and manage your own emotions and be able to empathize with others. Managing your own emotion means that they have the desired uh, result from your side when you are talking to your team, when you are directing them. Sometimes the thing will go wrong, but you have to be a guide. You don't have to be a talent to uh, direct them. Next comes is communicate effectively. Communicate effectively means clearly spell out your ideas and your visions, which can then be listened actively by the team. Communication means that you inform your ideas, your visions, your plan of actions. You understand and they understand you completely, and there is a complete feedback from them for what you want to do. So it is very important that you communicate effectively and similarly encourage them to communicate effectively with you. Next is encourage collaboration. Encourage collaboration means that be a team player. Foster an environment where everybody feels part of the team. Everybody feels that he is contributing to the goal or the target set. A willing team worker is very essential for the leader. He has to bring out this quality in his fellow workers. Next comes is lead by example. It is very easy to give orders from the office, but what is required is to be on the field, be on the floor as and when required, study the situation where it is, and be an equal member of the team. If there are hardships, you also accept the hardships. If they are kudos, you also accept the kudos. So all the team members should know that you are working with them throughout, and you are to an extent a role model to which they should look up to. Then we will come to prioritize continuous learning. All the team members must learn, must continue to learn. Or how should they lay? What should we lay? How should they upgrade themselves to to meet the targets that you have to decide? You also have to decide the same thing, that how do you find more and more about each task, each team worker, how he's going to do the. You have to be current in leadership situations and let them have their faith in you, that you know if, most of the knowledge which they are required to know. Then comes this make decisions confidently. When you are making a decision, make a decision confidently so that the team gets inspired. They know there is no doubt in your mind that you have clarity of thoughts and you can guide them as throughout the operation. So, confidence in yourself, confidence in the decision you make, and same way think very well articulated is the key to a good leadership. Next would be empower others. Empower others means delegate tasks and responsibilities to the team members. They should feel that they are going to perform the best. After all, it's your job to get the best out of them and get the best coordination which they want to do. So that you have to make them feel that they have the potential and they can do it. So, encouragement as and when required, carrot and stick policies as and when required, you should be able to follow. With these guidelines, you should be able to be a leader, leader in a work situation. And to improve yourself further, it will always be better to evaluate yourself and see the desired feedback which you are getting. Thank you.